Did you know that without nouns, your ability to describe the world is like an artist's canvas with no paint? You have the sketch, but none of the colors. This lesson is your ultimate shortcut to a powerful vocabulary. We're about to give you all the essential colors you need to start painting your world. Let's begin.
Hombre. Hombre.
Man,
Mujer. Mujer.
woman,
Amigo. Amigo.
friend,
Casa. Casa.
house,
Escuela. Escuela.
school,
Ciudad. Ciudad.
city,
Mercado. Mercado.
market,
Libro. Libro.
book,
Mesa. Mesa.
table,
Coche. Coche.
car,
Agua. Agua.
water,
Pan. Pan.
bread,
Manzana. Manzana.
apple,
Café. Café.
coffee,
Niño. Niño.
boy,
Niña. Niña.
girl,
Familia. Familia.
family,
Maestro. Maestro.
teacher,
Estudiante. Estudiante.
student,
Doctor. Doctor.
doctor,
Enfermera. Enfermera.
nurse,
Policía. Policía.
police,
Vecino. Vecino.
neighbor,
Tienda. Tienda.
store,
Restaurante. Restaurante.
restaurant,
Parque. Parque.
park,
Biblioteca. Biblioteca.
library,
Oficina. Oficina.
office,
Jardín. Jardín.
garden,
Playa. Playa.
beach,
Montaña. Montaña.
mountain,
Río. Río.
river,
Lago. Lago.
lake,
Bosque. Bosque.
forest,
Camino. Camino.
road,
Puente. Puente.
bridge,
Tren. Tren.
train,
Avión. Avión.
plane,
barco, barco,
boat,
bicicleta, bicicleta,
bicycle,
silla, silla,
chair,
ventana, ventana,
window,
puerta, puerta,
door,
reloj, reloj,
clock,
telefono, telefono,
phone,
computadora, computadora,
computer,
televisión, televisión,
television,
lámpara, lámpara,
lamp,
camisa, camisa,
shirt,
zapato, zapato,
shoe,
sombrero, sombrero,
hat,
pantalón, pantalón,
pants,
chaqueta, chaqueta,
jacket,
gatto, gatto,
cat,
perro, perro,
dog,
pájaro, pájaro,
bird,
pez, pez,
fish,
caballo, caballo,
horse,
vaca, vaca,
cow,
oveja, oveja,
sheep,
cerdo, cerdo,
pig,
león, león,
lion,
tigre, tigre,
tiger,
elefante, elefante,
elephant,
mono, mono,
monkey,
ratón, ratón,
mouse,
conejo, conejo,
rabbit,
tortuga, tortuga,
turtle,
serpiente, serpiente,
snake,
árbol, árbol,
tree,
flor, flor,
flower,
hierba, hierba,
grass,
fruta, fruta,
fruit,
verdura, verdura,
vegetable,
carne, carne,
meat,
pollo, pollo,
chicken,
pescado, pescado,
fish,
arroz, arroz,
rice,
pasta, pasta,
pasta,
queso, queso,
cheese,
leche, leche,
milk,
jugo, jugo,
juice,
tés, tés,
tea,
chocolate, chocolate,
chocolate,
azúcar, azúcar,
sugar,
sal, sal,
salt,
pimienta, pimienta,
pepper,
aceite, aceite,
oil,
mantequilla, mantequilla,
butter,
huevo, huevo,
egg,
Sopa, sopa,
soup,
ensalada, ensalada,
salad,
panadería, panadería,
bakery,
supermercado, supermercado,
supermarket,
cine, cine,
cinema,
teatro, teatro,
theater,
museo, museo,
museum,
iglesia, iglesia,
church,
banco, banco,
bank,
hospital, hospital,
hospital.
Fantastic work. You've just heard all the key phrases. Now it's time to lock in that knowledge. Ready to test yourself? Let's begin.
How do you say book in Spanish?
el libro,
How do you say friend in Spanish?
el amigo,
How do you say water in Spanish?
el agua,
How do you say house in Spanish?
la casa,
How do you say car in Spanish?
el coche.
Incredible job! You've just mastered 100 essential nouns. You now have your primary colors. You can now paint the things in your world, but you can't bring them to life without actions. Verbs are the engine of every sentence, giving your masterpiece movement and life. And they're your next mission. Click the video right here to learn the core verbs in level 1.3 and bring your painting to life.